Hi, my name is Luke Homan, founder and CEO of Contenio, and in this video, I will show you how to save a forum as a framework. You're going to want to do this when you have an existing forum that you've tailored and used, and you've decided that that forum is a good starting point for additional forums, and you want all of those additional forums to have the same starting conditions. For example, let's say that you started with the standard version of Speedboat and you tailored it for your needs in a customer advisory board. Well, then you'd want to take the result of that forum, save it as a framework, and then use that new framework to power all of the forums of your customer advisory board. This will ensure that what your customers see are the exact same starting conditions in each of their forums, and it will give you an opportunity to tailor how you post-process the results. Let's see how to do this in Weave. To save a forum as a framework, identify the forum that you'd like to save. In this case, it's the first instant forum from our completed forums list. I'm going to go to the right-hand menu and I'm going to click on the triple dots. That gives me access to all of the actions and operations I can perform on a forum. I pull that down and I can see that I can view the information of the framework, which is where this came from. I can download forum results, but I found the two that I'm looking for. I can edit the forum as a new framework, and I can save the forum as a new framework. Well, I think I want to choose edit because I want to make sure that this looks exactly like the way I want. So let's start with edit forum as new framework. Weave takes the forum, converts it into a framework, and puts me into the framework editor. Here I can start with my attributes. Now the framework name would be my travel software Speedboat. Now the default description of the framework was the original framework as identified by Weave, but this is a tailored framework. So I'm going to say this framework has been tailored for use in our customer advisory board meetings. Now, the central question is a question that you can present to your participants to help guide them in using the forum. I want to add a central question. So here I'm going to say, how can we improve our travel expense processing software? This is presented to customers as they engage in the forum. They can turn it off and hide it, but this helps them get started with a clear question of the forum. Now, when I look at these initial items, I see good and feedback and feedback. I probably want to start the forum blank and just solicit the ideas of customers. So I'm going to go ahead and remove these items by dragging them off the board or by selecting the item and clicking the red delete button. I'm going to confirm that I have the right items. I do. I'm going to confirm that I have the right regions. I do. So I'm good. I'm going to leave the editor, and now I've got a framework ready to go. I can instantly start a forum from that framework, and I can schedule future versions of that framework. When I click on my Frameworks tab, I can see that Weave has added it to my collection of frameworks. However, this framework is private. Notice that the other frameworks are still public because those are the pre-built frameworks in Weave. However, this new framework that I've created from a forum is private.